And we're rolling. So this is for the update 1 of our final project for mobile app development. I'm Katie.
And I'm Lindsay.
And let's just go over what we worked on. If you want to start.
So I worked on the login screen where the users are able to log into their accounts and then click on forget password if they want to renew it or if they forgot their password. And I used Google Fonts, Snackbar, image assets, and text editing controller. I spent 1 hour on it, and I used ChatGPT to get concept suggestions. And then I did the add book screen, and this screen was created to add books into the user's book list where they can see all of their books they read and all of the informations. And then I used the image picker, the icon button, and the snack bar, and I spent 2 hours on this one. And I used ChatGPT for suggestions and on the ratings.
So I worked on the profile screen. So the screen is just supposed to show the username, the profile picture, email, and then a reading statistics and the settings. Used a build profile option, circular avatar, which I had to get a little help for researching how to do that, and then single child scroll view as well. I took about 2 hours of research and working it all out together, and I also used ChatGPT to give me some code suggestions and just to give me options on how to implement everything and connect it together. So, go to our live demo. We have our app running here. We don't have the login system yet, but you can just, for now, just type in something, log in. So we have our profile screen here. So we have our circular avatar, which would have a picture, but we didn't have it implemented yet for this. And we have our stand-in, the username and the email. Here's the reading statistics that are hard-coded for right now. And then the settings down here, they don't do anything yet, but we're planning on making them work and functional. That you could select your favorite genre and turn your notifications on or off or specify it. And then also dark mode just for a nice touch. And then you can lock back out. But for right now, the the navigation isn't working yet. So we're just gonna reload the app really quickly. Hopefully it's quickly. Should be quickly. And when it reloads, should take us back to the login. There we go. So, once again, we type in something. Not very secure, but it's okay. We log in. And then this is our other screen.
This so this is the screen where you can add a book and it gives you the option to put no, these are required fields, so you have to put the book title and then insert the book cover, but we're working on resizing that image. And then the summary and the rating and the comments. For the insert book cover, it should yeah, it would ask you to input a picture if you had one in your albums, but for the sake of the emulator, we might change it to just to be able to take a picture on the camera later on. And then it gives you the option to save the book and functioning rating stars on here.
So, just to have a bit of an explanation of what happened. So, we do have our GitHub here. What happened was that we started pushing this a little bit later just because on the day or the couple days before it was due and the day was due, I wasn't feeling well personally. Lindsay had her files ready. I didn't get my files to her at that time, but we have it here. We have Lindsay's files that she added. scroll through it. And she added.
It has a wrong image on there, but fixed it later on.
And then I could go back. Hopefully it'll let me. Okay. So I also added sample data for us to use, but some of this had to be changed just because to be more realistic. Then this is here, and we also had some emulator issues, but I will say most of it was because I wasn't feeling well, and then I couldn't connect with Lindsay because I wasn't feeling well. But yeah, and so we did make the GitHub, but we only started pushing afterwards, so the commits are a little bit staggered. But um, we just had some issues, but we did want to make a submission and just explain kind of what happened, what's been going on, and yeah. So we're going to be working on the navigation for the upcoming progress because right now we just have uh
2 screens.
2 screens that
You have to read to get to.
yeah. So working on resizing the book cover like Lindsay said and just the navigation, and we're also wanting to add the other screens of just like a quote screen and a way that you can view the books already in your, I guess, like library. And then also a search option that we're going to use an API for, or we're looking for an API. So, thank you.